If we want to go toward the back of the gym, what line do we have to stay in front of?
Blue line.
When we're trying to knock down the other team's pins, how do we have to do it?
We have to roll it underhand.
Roll it under the...
Chain.
How many balls do we get at a time?
1.
And should we be way back behind the blue line?
No.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Stay on our feet. Stay on your feet. What do we do when we stop? All right. Should we be touching anything? Yep, don't touch anything. So this side, we could see all the pins are down. So which team wins? You guys win. What do we always say? All right, we'll set them up and we'll start another game in just a second, okay? All right, in just a second, we're going to clean up. I'm looking for quiet helpers that are not touching anything. If I choose you to be one of my helpers, everyone say one at a time.
One at a time.
I will let you get one ball at a time. You may bring it to the bucket and set it in. Then you may get one more ball. Right now, we're not touching the pins. After all the balls are gone, just go sit in your squad spot. Got it? One ball, walking. Go.
Could you take this down?
One ball. And just go get one more until they're all gone. All right, now I'm looking for quiet helpers in the squad spots to help me with the pins.